Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the extra tank matches your compressor's maximum PSI and has compatible port sizes. This prevents overpressure and fittings leaks. Next, place the tank on a level surface 3 to 6 feet from the compressor so piping runs are short and manageable. Once done, mount vibration isolation pads and install the drain valve downward facing for maintenance access. Make sure to have thread sealant and the correct adapters handy before you begin connecting any piping or valves. You now attach the fitting to the compressor outlet using the correct 3/4-inch NPT or matched fitting. Apply PTFE tape to threads to ensure a gas-tight seal. Then install an isolation valve and a one-way check valve in the run so the extra tank can't feed back into the compressor head. Add a safety relief valve on the new tank set to the same or lower PSI as the compressor for protection. Make sure piping slopes slightly toward the tank so condensate returns naturally. You finish by pressurizing the system slowly while you inspect all joints with a soapy water solution to find leaks. Tighten fittings if you see bubbles. Once stable, adjust regulator settings and cycle the compressor to balance load between tanks and set a drain schedule for condensate removal. If you get unexpected pressure loss, first isolate and verify check valve orientation and then reseal suspect joints. If the relief valve vents, immediately depressurize and inspect pressure settings and valve compatibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.